Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Ijima Solutions. We are going to find the real value of n in this equation 2 raised to n plus 2 raised to 3n equals to 10. So now ideally what you have to do, we have about two methods here to apply for solving this one. So the first one is suggestion method, which means you have to observe the equation and suggest for a number n that will make it true. So I think if you suggest n to be 1 here, so here we have 2 and here we have 8, because 2 raised to 3n, this n is 1, then we have 3 times 1 is 3, then 2 raised to 3 is 8. Therefore 2 plus 8 is equals to 10. So therefore for n to be equals to 1, so this equation is true. So therefore by suggestion we can even say we are finished, because the value of n is 1 based on this observation. So now, but sometime in a question like this, they may have more than one solution. But for you to know that, you have to apply the algebraic approach to find out. So let's see how we can apply the algebraic method. Okay, now let us rewrite the questions like this: 2 raised to n plus 2 raised to 3n equals to 10. So we can rewrite this one according to indices. Here we have 2 raised to n plus 2 raised to n, then we put 3 outside the bracket according to indices, then equals to 10. This is allowed. So now, by having this, equations like this, we can let our y to be equals to 2 to the power n. So that here we may have y plus y cube, y plus y cube here equals to 10, because our y is now 2 raised to n. Okay, let us arrange this one like this: y cube plus y equals to 10, and we can bring this 10 inside to equal to 0. For you to solve this one, we can look for a 2 terms here to rewrite this plus y this way: y cube minus 4y plus 5y, then minus 10 equals to 0, because minus 4y plus 5y is plus y, so there's nothing added. Okay, now by looking at this one, we can be able to group it like this, so that to factor the common terms. So y cube here plus minus 4y here, the common is y, then we factor y outside to leave us with y squared, then minus 4 inside the bracket, then plus, for these two terms here, we have 5 in common, so 5 into y minus 2, because 5 times 2 is 10. We equate everything to 0. So after doing this, if you look at this bracket, it is leading us to difference of 2 squares, because we have y squared then minus 4, which is 2 squared. So we can apply difference of 2 squares approach here. We have y into y minus 2, then into y plus 2, then plus 5 into y minus 2, then equals to 0. So therefore, by looking at this step here, we can be able to find out we have y minus 2 here in common, y minus 2, so we can factor one of them outside. So we have y minus 2 outside, then into, here we have y into y plus 2, y into y plus 2 here, then at this side we have plus 5, because y minus 2 is already here, then to be equals to 0. So we can expand this bracket like y minus 2, then into y squared plus 2y, then plus 5 equals to 0. So at this level, we can be able to find out that whenever you have two brackets multiplied together, the result is 0. So it's either one of them can is 0. So now we check if y minus 2 is 0 or y square plus 2y plus 5 is equals to 0. So in this case, if y minus 2 is 0, then y must be equals to 2. Or if y square plus 2y plus 5 equals to 0, so we have to factorize and see. So before we do that, let us apply our discriminant formula to check if the equation have the real solution, because it is sometimes safer for you to do that instead of you to start solving or applying formula. At the end, it does not have the real solution. So let us apply the discriminant formula. So now here we have b square minus 4ac to be our discriminant here in the formula. So what is our b in the equation is 2 square, which is 4, then minus 4 times a1 times c5, which is 4 times 5 is 20. So we have 4 minus 20, which is equals to negative 16. So as we can see, negative 16 is the discriminant, and we don't have the real solution to that problem. So therefore we concentrate only on this value of y equals to 2. So we remember our initial condition, we let our y to be equals to 2n, we call it. So if y is equals to 2n and y is now 2, so we can substitute for y here to be equals to 2, then to be equals to 2 raised to n. So if 2 equals to 2 raised to n, the values are equal, so the powers must be equal, so that 1 equals to n. 1 equals to n, therefore n equals to 1. So the solution is still, 1 if n equals to 1, even from the initial, condition we have stated earlier. So therefore, this is the solution for the n. Thank you very much. For more videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ejima Solution, for more of these exciting questions and videos. Thank you very much.